There's nothing better than the fresh-cut grass on the baseball diamond at your local park. Stripes in the outfield leave the grass looking beautiful. Ever wonder how that's done? It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Follow these 3 simple steps to make the neighbors envious of your stadium-worthy stripes. Step 1. Always start by mowing an outline of your property to provide plenty of room for each turn at the end of your stripe. Step 2. Drive a straight line to your perimeter. Turn, come back, and continue in opposite directions for the rest of your yard. Step 3. Almost done. Once you've finished mowing your yard and your stripes set, take the time to take one more pass around the perimeter to clean up any imperfections. Now you have a beautiful lawn. Here are some tips and tricks to keep in mind when striping your lawn. Before you start mowing, decide on a pattern first. Let your creativity come out. You can do traditional stripes, checkerboards, zigzags, or even curves for more interesting patterns. Mowing in the same pattern will enhance the striping effect. However, it is recommended that you change patterns every 2 weeks to keep the grass healthy and to prevent ruts in your yard. For bold stripes, you'll want to use a striping kit. Most kits are made out of chains, rubber, or rollers, and all are designed to apply extra pressure to the grass. Another tip for bold stripes is to set your cutting height higher than you might normally cut. The longer the grass is, the easier it is to fold it over. If your mower has dull blades, you're actually ripping the grass instead of cutting it, which can lead to unhealthy grass and a poor appearance. So make sure your blades are nice and sharp for a clean, healthy cut. And there you have it, how to stripe your lawn in 3 easy steps. For more information on striping kits to fit your mower, visit your local Dixie Chopper dealer or online at dixiechopper.com.